What's the name of the song?
Roy.
Can you sing a little?
No.
Just a little?
No.
Please.
No.
I love you.
No. Mommy. Y.
You wrote Mommy? How old are you?
4.
And you can write Mommy. What else can you write?
Daddy.
Can you write Daddy? Let me see.
Mommy. Daddy. No, Gigi. Right?
Yep.
D. And Y.
That's right. Let me see. Mommy and Daddy.
Now on the last one, I'm going to write I love you.
Well, let's see if you know how to spell that. Love.
You.
Okay.
I
Wow.
want to see my book for Mommy and Daddy. Look what it says. My shoe.
Mommy, Daddy, love you.
Nice job, Mox. Good
I
job.
love you. It says I love you.